Let's see. There go the white, the blue. Welcome back, man. We back with another video, man. I told y'all I was gonna keep bringing hits. But this new build, man, today's video is about me doing 750 stars. I'm not doing them today. I'm just gonna do a breakdown of the box. It's actually a great box, man. It has the twinkle effect, it has the shooting star effect, it has 150 different colors. It has like the pattern, the music pattern, it has the different speeds, heartbeat. It has so many different things, man. This kit is so wonderful from what I've seen. So let's jump in and check out the kit, what they sent me. So right here we got the box. They sent me a piece for the cigarette lighter. Sent me the 750 strands. Then they sent me the plug-in piece. So let's get into it and let's make sure everything works before and let's play with it a little bit. This right here is the pieces. Let's see what they do. Oh wow. Just look at those colors, just go. Just look at them colors. Come in a little bit. Let's look at these colors. Yeah. You see them just dancing. They look real good, man. I think this kit is actually gonna be a good addition to the truck, so hey. Yeah, I'm real pleased with it. And the link down below, it will be show you where I got the kit from. So if you want to order it, you can definitely order it. I mean, for the price I paid for it, which won't nothing but $220, I think it was a good kit. So hey, thank y'all for watching. Let's see. There go the white, the blue, the green, the red, the orange, and you got the fade. Oh, that looks good.
Gonna look good in the truck.
So what you think? What you think? Tell me what you think about it. You think it's gonna look good in the truck? Yeah, I think so too. I think it's gonna look good in the truck. So either Saturday or Sunday they will be getting installed, so you will be able to see. Y'all stay tuned. Man, I can't wait. They're gonna come out good.
And make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications for more things like this.
I'm telling you, man, 'cause this bill's gonna be big. You heard him. Don't forget, hit them bills.